You are going to love the 2016 Cooper. Agile handling and quick, precise steering make the MINI Cooper lots of fun to drive. The cabin is roomy with plenty of front legroom and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, rain-sensing wipers, speed control, rear window defroster, rear window wiper. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.